Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Have you done your homework? Good. So let's start our online class. Are you ready? Very good. So students, today we will start a new topic, discriminant and nature of a root. Okay? Discriminant and nature of a root. Discriminant and nature of roots. There are three conditions of nature of a root. Okay? Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. And first is if b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then nature of root is root will be real and distinct. Roots will be real and distinct. Okay? Roots will be real and distinct when if b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Okay? It is a nature of root. First condition. It is a first condition. Now move on. Next is second condition. If b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, so nature of roots will be real and equal. Roots will be real and equal. Understood? If second condition, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then nature of root is roots will be real and equal. Understood? Third condition is if b square minus 4ac less than 0. If b square minus 4ac, it means discriminant is less than 0. So what is the nature of root? What is the nature of root? Roots will be imaginary. Roots will be imaginary. Understood? There are three conditions. Okay? Students, we will understand with the help of examples. So let us take an example. Example first, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay? And find the nature of a root. Find the nature of roots. Okay? Now, check the discriminant because we have three conditions. So, b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. So, first of all, students, it is a quadratic equation. So, the value of a it means coefficient of x square. And what is the coefficient of x square? 2. Very good. 2 is a coefficient of x square, and b is a coefficient of x. b is coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient? Minus 6. Okay. Now c is a constant. So constant term is 3. Constant term is 3. Understood? Now put the value according to discriminant. b square, it means minus 6 square. Okay, minus 4 into a is 2. The value of a is 2 into c is 3. The value of c is 3. Okay, now solve it. Square of minus 6 we get 36. plus 36, okay, minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. We get 24, 36 minus 24, 36 minus 24, we get 12. We get 12. 12 is greater than 0. 12 is greater than 0. So, our first condition is if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So, roots will be real and distinct. Roots will be real and distinct. Understood? Now let us take in one more example. Example 2. 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 equal to 0. 1 by 3 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. First of all, we want to cancel out of a denominator number. So, multiply by 3 all terms. So, 3 multiply 3x square minus 3 multiply 2x plus 1 by 3 multiply 3 equal to 0. Okay. Now, 3 3s are 9x square. 9x square minus 3 2s are 6x and plus 3 3 cancel out, we get 1 equal to 0. 9x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. It is our quadratic equation. Okay. Now find the nature of root. Find the nature of roots. Okay. So discriminant b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. A is coefficient of x square, so 9. B is coefficient of x, and C is constant. C is a constant, so 1. Okay. Now put the value. B square, it means minus 6 square minus 4 as it is into A, the value of A is 9, into the value of C is 1. Okay. Square of minus 6. Square of a minus 6, we get 36. Okay. 9 4 ja 36. So 36 1 ja 36, we get 36. Okay. 36 minus 36. 36 minus 36, we get 0. We get 0. It means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. So our second condition is true. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then nature of roots will be real and equal. Roots will be real and equal. Okay. So roots will be real and equal. Okay. Quadratic equation 9x square minus 6x plus 1. So nature of root is real and equal. Understood? Let us take in one more example. Example 3rd. X square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation, and find the nature of root. Find nature of root. Okay. So first of all, A is coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 1. So 1. And B, coefficient of x is also 1. Okay. And C is constant. C is a constant, so constant term is 1. Okay. the value of a and b and c are 1. Now discriminant b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac. Now b square, it means 1 square, square of 1 minus 4 as it is into a is 1 into c is 1. Okay, square of 1 we get 1 minus 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, we get 4. 1 minus 4, 1 minus 4, we get minus 3, we get minus 3. So students, b square minus 4ac is minus 3, is a minus 3. So it means the value of b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Minus 3 is less than 0. Yes or no? Very good. Minus 3 is less than 0. So nature of root, root will be imaginary. Root will be imaginary. So roots will be imaginary. Okay. You can say that no real root. You can say that no real roots. Understood? I hope have you understood discriminant and nature of roots. Okay. Thank you.